What's up, guys? This is Random for the Texans for Flawless Full Case PYT number 15. We are going live. Timestamp is 840. I put all the teams in, guys, obviously minus the Texans. Dice has to be 4 or more. Whatever team ends up on top is the winner. If you own that team, you will also get the Texans in this case break. Wow, we're going exactly 4 times. I hate low rolls. 4s suck, but what can you do? All right, guys, good luck, fellas. Whoever owns the team that ends up in the top spot is going to win. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Seahawks. Going to the Seahawks. We went 4 times. PZRIFJ is your code. Seahawks are the winner. I know who got that. Big Seahawks fan, Fabian. Congrats, Fabian. You just picked up the Texans with a 1-team spot. Wowzers. Done. Timestamp 8:41. Thanks, guys.